All right, here we go. Go ahead and take out your math book, and we're going to do the next pages together. We are on Chapter 7, Lesson 6. We are focusing on reading a bar graph. So yesterday we learned how to turn a tally chart into a bar graph, and now we're just going to dig a little bit deeper into a bar graph. So for this activity, friends were asked what their favorite gym activity was, and their choices were running, doing jumping jacks, or push-ups. All right, so how many friends love to run? On this bar graph, 1. So on the line, we're going to write 1. How many friends like jumping jacks? So if you look down here, it's kind of cool. You don't have to count 1, 2, 3, 4. You can just go to the end of the bar graph, go straight down, and what number do you see? 6. That's right. So if you actually counted these, you would count 6. All right, push-ups. Let's go to the end of the bar, go down, and what do we see? 4. Good job. All right, now they want to know how many friends were surveyed in all. So we're going to add all of these squares together. So 1 plus 6 plus 4. So we can do that in different ways. Remember, there's always more than one way to solve a math problem. So we can make a number expression, 1 plus 6 plus 4. We can do it like that. So it's 1 plus 6. 7, good job. Now 7 plus 4. I have a feeling that's going to be more than the number of fingers I have. So I'm going to draw my little dots to help me. And we're going to count on. So 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So 11 people were asked about their favorite gym activity in all. Okay, we learned a number expression, but another way we could have done it is we could have just counted all of the squares and see if we get 11. Let's do that together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Check that out. There were 11 squares, and we got 11. Is there more than one way to solve a problem? Always. Yes, there is. All right, turn this paper over. Our see and show box is always just a little reminder, a little teacher to teach us what we're doing. So it says the bars on a bar graph tell how many. Look where each bar ends. Read the number. So favorite day of the week, whoever likes Friday, let's see. Go to the end, go down, 3. 3 friends liked Friday. How many like Saturday? Go to the end, go down, and it's a 5. How many like Sunday? Go to the end, go down, it's a 2. Our little helpful hint clue says the bars on a bar graph can be horizontal or vertical. So in the class, I know we've made other graphs that look like this, where the bars go up. So a bar graph can go vertical or horizontal. All right, use the graph above to answer the questions. How many people chose Sunday? 2, good job. How many people chose Friday and Saturday? Ooh, Friday and Saturday. And is always an adding word, right? So we want to add Friday plus Saturday. So Friday plus Saturday. Which way do you want to solve it? Do you want to make a number sentence or count the squares? I think I heard a lot of you say count the squares. So I know this is 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 friends liked Friday and Saturday. Number 3, which day has 1 less vote than Friday? Remember, less means smaller. So we need a number that's 1 smaller than Friday. So if this is Friday and I go 1 smaller, which one ends there? That's right, Sunday. That's right, Sunday on the line. Sunday gets a capital because it's the special name of the week. Doing great. Let's go down to number 4. Which day has 2 more votes than Friday? So more means greater, bigger. So we need 2 more than Friday. Let's go back to our graph. Here's where Friday ends. Which one has 2 more? 2 more. That's right, Saturday has 2 more. That's right, Saturday on the line again with a capital letter. All right, number 5. How many people were surveyed? Remember, surveyed is a total. So the equals, right? We add them all and we get it equals. We're going to add Friday plus Saturday plus Sunday. Remember on the previous page I showed you, you can either write a number sentence or you can simply count the squares. Let's count the squares. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 friends were surveyed in all. All right, talk math. Why is this graph above called a bar graph? That's right, because we're making bars, right? Each square gets colored in to build a bar. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Okay, put that paper aside. Let's look at the on my own. And even though it's on my own, I want to do it with you. And that sandwich is making me hungry. All right, use the bar graph to answer the questions. All right, so this bar graph is about favorite sandwiches. Oh, that's why that's up there. Okay, is a peanut butter sandwich your favorite? A turkey sandwich or ham? All right, how many people chose turkey? So remember, our bar graphs can go vertical or horizontal. This one is going vertical, up and down. So how many people chose turkey? Let's find turkey. Let's go up and over to the number. What's that number? 3. So 3 people chose turkey. How many more people chose peanut butter than turkey? So remember, many more is a comparison. So we're going to compare peanut butter to turkey. Peanut butter to turkey. So remember, we can make our buddies. Buddies, buddy, buddy. Uh-oh, nobody, 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 nobody. So how many more peanut butter sandwich likers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 more peanut butter than turkey. Okay, number 8. Did more people choose ham or turkey? See, here's ham, here's turkey. Which one was more? That's right, ham, because it has more squares colored. Go ahead and write ham on the line. Number 9. Which kind of sandwich is liked better than ham? Ooh, better is a comparison word. So we're at ham. Which one is more liked better than ham? That's right, peanut butter has more. That's right, peanut butter on the line. Write small and neat so your words can fit. Good job. Remember, you don't have to copy my letters. The words are right here for you. Might be easier just to look at your paper. Okay, next question, number 10. Did fewer people choose peanut butter or turkey? Remember, fewer, that's a math word. That's a smaller, right? Smaller. Which one was smaller or less? Peanut butter or turkey? Peanut butter or turkey? Which one is less? That's right, turkey is less. All right, and last question for this page. How many people were surveyed? Remember, surveyed means we have to get a total, that they're equal all together. We have to add them all together. So we know there's 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 16 friends were surveyed. Great job. Let's turn this paper over. All right, number 12, for problem solving. A class made a bar graph about what color of pencils they used. Which pencil color got less votes than green? Ooh, comparisons. We're going to compare less votes than green. So here's green. Which one is less than green? That's right, blue is less. It can't be yellow because yellow has more. So blue. Let's Let's write blue on the line. Okay. Last problem on the bottom, we have a hot problem. Hot stands for higher order thinking. So it means getting you to be really, really smart. Which kind of cacti, did you know cacti is plural for cactus? We don't say cactuses, we say cacti. That's an irregular word. Is that funny? I think it's funny. So which kind of cacti has more votes than hedgehog? How do you know? All right, kinds of cacti. We have saguaro, prickly pear, and hedgehog. I didn't realize that was the names of them. Kind of cool. Okay, so the question, what kind of cacti has more votes than hedgehog? Here's hedgehog. It stops at the 3. Which kind has more? That's right, saguaro has more. If I draw my pencil up, it has 2 more. So we need to write that. Saguaro has more votes than hedgehog. More votes than hedgehog. And then it asks, how do you know? Well, we know because saguaro has more bars colored. It has 2 more bars than hedgehog. More bars colored. Okay, so let's make sure we answered our question. Saguaro has more votes than hedgehog. It has more bars colored. Great job. So when you're done copying this, don't forget to click on the turn in button. You don't actually have to turn in this paper to me because there's no way to get it to me, and I know you did it because you followed along and did it with me. So just click on turn in that you did this page, and then when you're done, the next page in your book is the homework. Again, there's no way for me to correct this. It's just a really, really good way for you to practice what we learned on your own to make sure that you understand it and give you a little more practice. You can be an expert. So by the time you get to 2nd grade, your teachers will say, oh my goodness, this child is so smart and they can do work all by themselves. So again, it's just taking the information and answering the questions on bar graphs. It'll be super, super easy. All right, great job again for today. I am so proud of you. Go ahead and you can close out of this.